Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Makeup and Chill with Woodpecker, me. Back by popular demand is the commentary from my dad. Yes, I don't know why you guys loved it, but you did. And he's here to do another commentary on this look and how I slayed it. So if you want to hear, go get you a glass of wine and please don't be eating while you're watching this because it's about to be some laughs. Let's go right now.
I am Woodpecker's dad. I hear you people have paid to listen to me again, although I have not gotten the money yet. So I am supposed to be telling you, describing what she's doing. You notice she's spraying on something that looked like 7-Up on her face. And then she is, looks something like butter that she's putting on her face now. And I don't know what that is supposed to do. She's going to be rubbing it in. Yeah. She's holding up something I cannot really see, but she now has a brush, looks like polish, and she's polishing her eyebrow. Looks like it's getting blacker and blacker. Almost look like mine now. She has something marked Pro and another thing that she is fidgeting with here. Okay, she's putting on something looking like mud under the eyebrow. Now she's applying this mud-looking thing under the eyebrows, and looks like it takes some little skill to put that on so that it doesn't get into the black. So now she's using a larger brush and smoothing out over the eye and eyelashes, eyebrow, under the eyebrow. And then she is doing the same thing above the eyebrow, making sure not to get into the black, I presume. So that is good. So that looks like it's done. So she seemed happy about that. It came out like that. So now she's going to be using something called Wahala. Sorry about that. Something went into the wrong nose. So she is now applying from the Wahala colors the blue, looks like it, blue. And then she's going to be using now. Now it's blue. I wasn't sure what it was before. Just looked like that. Now she's using another color to make it even bluer. And now she's applying that, smoothing it out. Now she's going back to the Wahala palette and she's using the mustard on top of the blue, which I imagine gives it a smooth blend. Yes, she seems pleased with that. Now she's going to be using something called base on top of the blue, on top of her eyelid, as like painting another eye or an eye over her eyelid. Looks like here she is trying to put on the, what color is that? The yellow over her eyelid.
That's not yellow, Daddy. That's...
And then it makes, I imagine that she's going to have to do something with that so that it brings out some other color or something like that.
But that's not yellow.
Now she has another brush and lime green sponge, and she's putting on in the corner of the eye, in the corners, the lime green color. She is now using the shimmer from the Wahala to bring out the other colors, to bring out the rest of the colors, to just dab it on there. So she looks at it to make sure everything is okay. So she continues with the left eye or the other eye. So now she's going to be using something called face and body lotion, and she's applying that thinly with a small fine brush over the eyelash, and that color looks like yellow. Now she's going to be using a feather-looking pen to mark out the underside of her eyelid, under her eyelash. It's some color or the dark color. This looks like glue and eyelash that she is going to be using, putting on her eyelashes. Can't get me doing that. Okay, that's done. He's now trying to put the eyelash on the other eye. Yeah. Okay, she thinks that looks good. She's going to be now applying something from a red tube on her face, smoothing it in apparently. She's still going to be applying something more with a big brush. I don't know what that is, but she seems to be making her face heavier than anything else. she's still going to be applying something else. I don't know what that is. Looks like a yellow color. I'm not sure. But now she looks like a African warrior. But now she's moving. She's now using a red piece of cloth or something to dab and to spread this beige looking color all over. And then again more paint is applied to the cheek and jawbones with another brush to spread it over her face. I would never put all this on my face. I don't know. Like she's trying to make her face bigger. Even on her nose she put in this thing. My goodness. She's pleased with it though, apparently. Oh, she is done and oh, she's still using something else to wipe, to put on her face called, well, I'm not sure what that is, but she's using it like a powder to put on, and then she's going to be, I'm waiting, oh yes, a smaller, another brush, something looks glassy, and she's dabbing it on over under her nose, and then she's going to be using two things that looks like pens, and she's marking out her lips with these pens, putting on a color under her lip. Goodness, if you were to go to the beauty salon, you'd spend a whole hour or something like that in there. What's all of this? Okay, what is it now? Something else on the lip, look like a pink. Looks pink. I don't know what she's using to put it on. She doesn't want you to see it. She doesn't look bad. Okay, I am done. I guess it looks okay for her, but I wouldn't want my face to look like that. I'm Woodpecker's father, and hoping to see you again. Bye.
Okay, so yeah. I will leave the description below because, yeah. Anyways, y'all know what to do. Go ahead, subscribe, like, share, and leave your comments below. Thank you so much for being on me with this journey so far. Continue to be with me and share it with your friends and family. It's absolutely free. And if you want to see more content like this, you know what to do. Thanks again for watching another episode of Makeup and Chill with Woodpecker. See you next time. Bye.